Hello guys, this is Song from Mainland Voice. Yesterday I talked something about the Lao-Tze道德经. I told you Tao, what is Tao? Tao is the nature. Tao is the beginning of everything. Tao is the root of everything. And Tao is the universe. Tao is the God. Tao is the phenomenal. Tao is the phenomenon, and it is also the object, the material, and it's the emptiness. It's the possession, all the everything. That is Tao. Everything you can see, everything you cannot see. Okay, this is Tao. So I will continue the other part of the chapter 1. The first one I will repeat it. 道可道. You can say something about Tao. 非常道. It is not an ordinary one. It's not a permanent one. And the 名可名, the phenomenon, the name, the concept is not ordinary. It's not a permanent name, concept. 名天地之始, the Nothingness is the beginning of the universe. And 有, 名天地之母, the possession, the belonging, all the thing you have, all the material thing you have, is the mu, is the mother, is the root, is the beginning of all creatures, all things. Okay, the next one is 故常无, 欲以观其妙. So it's very trivial, it's very interesting, it's very I can say smart. So when they are nothingness, it's very elegant. So 常有, 欲以观其徼. So the position, you can know the traces, the you can say it's the I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so 此两者, these two things, the 有 and the 无, the possession and the nothingness, 同出而异名, it's the same thing, but they have the different names. 同谓之玄, it means it's a very the profound thing, profound, 玄之又玄, very profound, 众妙之门, it's the door of all the interesting, all the good things, all the sorts of things. It's the door, it's the beginning. So it is to say the Tao is the nature, the Tao is the beginning, the Tao is the it's the basics of everything, and it's the and we can feel all the material sins. We can feel the taste, the smell, the vision, all the sins. But we cannot feel other sins, such as the sound of the frequency. We cannot hear it. Sound of the color, we cannot see it. Sound of the taste, we cannot smell it, taste it. But the dog, maybe they can smell it. So our sensation is not the whole world. So we have all the other things we cannot feel, we cannot sense it. And they are emptiness, they are material, they are emptiness, they are anti-material, they are counter-material, they are universe, they are all the other things. It's all from begin from the Tao. So this is the first chapter of the Tao Te Ching. It's the beginning of the Tao Te Ching. It's a philosophy, and you can learn something from it. It's almost the same thing as the Bible. From the Bible, you can know we are beginning from the God. So this book, Tao Te Ching, said we began from the Tao. So yeah, Tao is, you can say, it's the nature, and it's the nature of every sin, every basics, the basis of everything. So that's all for today. I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.